Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go with the information. Alan drives an average of 100 miles each week. His car can travel an average of 25 miles per gallon of gasoline. Alan would like to reduce his weekly expenditure on gasoline by $5. Assuming gasoline costs $4 per week, which equation can Alan use to determine how many fewer average miles he should drive each week? It is given that his car can travel an average of 25 miles per gallon of gasoline. That is, 24 miles can be traveled with 1 gallon of gasoline, and the cost of 1 gallon of gasoline is $4. That is, it can travel 25 miles with $4 of money. So it can be written as ratio, that is 25 to 4. So here we have number of miles, and here we have amount of money that we need to travel this distance, 25 miles. Okay, and also is going to decrease his travel by m number of miles, because the question clearly says fewer average miles. That means he's going to decrease the m number of miles so that he can reduce his weekly expenditure by $5. So from this, what we can understand, so if he travels m number of miles, he has to spend $5 of money. So it can be written as ratio, that is m to 5. So here we have number of miles, and here we have the money that we need to travel m number of miles. So here both the ratios represent the same stuff. So here we have number of miles and we have amount of money in dollars. So here also the same stuff. We have number of miles, the amount of money in dollars. Since both the ratios represent the same stuff, we can equate them. Okay, here we can write each ratio as a fraction. Then I'm getting 25 over 4 equals to m over 5. Okay, so here in each option we have m on the left side, so better we can, since the two quantities are equal over here, we can switch the two quantities, and I'm getting m over 5 equals to 25 over 4. But in each option, m is multiplied either by 25 over 4 or 4 over 5. In option A and option B, m is multiplied by 25 over 4. In option B, C and D, m is multiplied by 4 over 5. So for that, what I'm going to do is, here we have 25 over 4. If I multiply both sides of this equation by 4 over 25, I think either option C or D may be correct. Okay, let's multiply both sides of this equation by 4 over 25. So let me multiply 4 over 25 times m over 5 equals to 25 over 4 times 4 over 25. I multiplied both sides of this equation by 4 over 25. So this 25 will cancel one times, and 4 goes into 1 times, and 4 goes into 1 times. So now I'm getting 4 over 25 times m over 5 equals to, so on the right side, so when I simplify all this one, I'm just getting 1. Okay, so here when I look at option C and D, so m is multiplied by 4 over 25. So here also almost we have the same result, but here we have 5 in division over there. So what do we have to do to get rid of this 5, which is in denominator? So for that, I have to multiply both sides of this equation by 5. Then this 5 will cancel out. I'm getting 4 over 25 times m equals to, on the right side, 1 times 5 is 5. So I find this equation in option D. So the correct answer choice for this question is option D.